Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Katrina Marie, and I'm here to make sure that you become the very best possible applicant before you click submit. And today I'm going to be talking to you about studying medicine, where specifically in Europe. And the reason why I want to talk about this is because I feel like this is a little hidden treasure that many people don't understand actually exist. And the reason why I want you to have access to this information so that you can make an informed decision about how to proceed with your future goals, especially if you're looking to become a physician or a dentist or a veterinarian or any kind of helping professional in the medical field. So why European medical schools versus the US or Canada? Well, I'm personally from the US, but one of the things that I love about medical schools outside of the US, outside of Canada, is the process is actually pretty straight to the point. Like, you don't need to go into an undergraduate program, do a degree in biology or chemistry, and then apply for a pre-med program and then do your residency, and then 10 years have gone by. Whereas if you decide to go straight into a medical program, you can do that at institutions literally pretty much anywhere outside of the United States and Canada, outside of North America. So why do I like this? I like this because it saves you time. It helps you identify, opportunities for you that so you can go straight into that program right away. And there are so many institutions out there who are super flexible with the entry requirements. So a lot of times students are looking for institutions that have that name behind it, that are attached to hospitals, and I get it. But at the end of the day, I always say it's all about the skill sets that you get. It's the connections you make that are going to help you get a job. Employers are not asking you, where did you study? They're asking you, how do you help patients? How do you do this? How do you do that? What skills do you have? I mean, you guys as a viewer on my channel, you guys are not questioning me what university I went to because I'm here giving you advice, nor are you going to question the next YouTuber, right? So you're going to trust that that person whom you are listening to is giving you the best possible advice with accurate information. Doctors are no different. Healthcare physicians are no different. So I want to remind you that it's not always about the school. It's about the person's expertise, their experiences, their skill sets, and how they articulate that to whoever that they're helping. So I love European medical schools because the application is so straightforward. Usually you need to submit your grades. You need to submit maybe an entry exam of some sort. You might need to write a personal statement about why you want to study medicine, which is pretty straightforward. And then you would probably need to submit like an English proficiency test. Again, if you're coming from a country where you don't speak English natively and the instruction of the program is taught in English. And you also might have scholarship opportunities available to you for being an international student, whereas maybe if you're going to the US, UK, Canada, you might not have as much scholarship flexibility because everybody's trying to go to these programs. And also, they're going to take in more international students to, attract you guys to go to these schools. So Eastern Europe, Central Europe, there's different parts of the world where maybe there's a university, for example, there's a university from the UK, but they have a campus outside of the UK in a different country, and it's on an island, and you can go and de-stress. Instead of living in gloomy England, you can go live on an island in Malta. So I'm just giving you some examples of what opportunities are actually out there and how you can shift your perspective about medical schools, specifically in Europe. There's also medical schools literally in every other country where you will probably gain admission, even if it's competitive. And if you are looking for more expert support, because I don't want to give away too much because I feel like there's so much I can talk about on this topic, but if you are somebody who's looking for a medical program, who's looking for maybe a safety option or a backup option or just options in general, I invite you to book a one-on-one appointment with me. I help students every single day literally figure out where is their best fit university, where they're going to be happy, how it fits into their vision, their budget, all of that. So if this feels timely for you, I invite you to fill out my application below to make sure that we are a good fit for each other. And I do charge for my consultation fee so that if you do decide to work with me, that consultation fee does get waived off the total amount. But if you're not ready to invest one-to-one for that expert support, then I do offer some other courses and resources below so that can help you as well become the best possible applicant before you click that button, submit. So I hope this information was helpful. I know it was super general and kind of fast, but it's YouTube, and I want to make sure that I'm getting you guys the super general, broad information so that you can make informed decisions to help you go forward. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I look forward to catching you guys on the next video.